Coach Grimston, congratulations for this victory. You needed a strong second half to fend off the Gawing Tigers. What can you say about your team's effort in the second half?
Much better, definitely. You know, after allowing 23 points in the first quarter alone, and then limiting them to 28 in the second half. Obviously, mas maganda yung second half namin in terms of effort, in terms of adjustments, but it's really the players. So, they responded to all the things that Coach Gold told them to do, especially during halftime. But this is a tough UST team. Obviously, a much better team compared to the last season. Just like any other team in the UAAP, you can always expect yung A-game nila. So kudos to them. And just fortunate that in the end, we were able to hold them down, especially in the fourth quarter.
Thank you, Coach. To Harold, we had 16 points, including back-to-back jumpers midway the board, 3 rebounds, 3 assists, and 1 block. So, ano masasabi mo na yun nga, nung second half, maganda yung pinakita nyo kasi pumalag ang UST. Ano masasabi mo? Move close to the mic.
Sabi nga ni Coach Chris, nag-respond naman sa yung base naman din sa mga shots. Kinuha ko lang paano yung mistake ko. Mga bagay niya, inside ko. Basta lumalabas na sa game.
Okay. Francis, you had 15 points, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 blocks. So, what can you say right now? We're now almost in the halfway mark of the eliminations. And what do you see right now for UP to remain on top?
Still a lot to improve on. It's just the first round, 6-0, but at the same time, we got to give credit to the coaches and us as well for working hard for this one. And every team is a tough team for us. We can't be complacent about any team. So